What's up, folks? It's Oswald here. Today we'll be diving into trading. So get ready and let's turn a tiny deposit of 5 into something really worthy spending. Come join my trading community on Telegram. I share all my 20 years of trading experience with my subscribers, breaking down complex strategies into clear tips and insights. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just started out, there's something valuable for everyone. Plus, I run free trading sessions every day where you can watch my trades in real time and get an in-depth look at my decision-making process and understand why I make each and every trade. This isn't just about watching, it's about learning and multiplying your savings. On average, folks make about $750 per session just by copying my moves. I trade every day, yes, even on weekends. In the off-exchange market, imagine what you could do with such guidance. Join a community of like-minded traders who are all working towards personal freedom and success. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn, grow, and get some serious returns. So, what are you waiting for? Click that first link in the description below and the pinned comment, and let's take your trading to the next level. I'm just about set to start trading. Got questions about setting up the platform? I go over all of that on my Telegram channel. Now, first things first. Let's get our indicator set up. For Bollinger Bands, set the period to 7 and the deviation to 1.01. Now, adjust all the line styles to 2 pixels and make the top line white. Keep the middle line green and set the bottom one for red. Now, this combo of indicators is widely used because it's highly effective. It helps identify volatility and potential price movements with great accuracy. You'll be able to spot those critical breakout points like a pro. Now the MACD. We're thickening the lines and tweaking the histogram colors. Make the up pink and the down green. Now why? I break it all down on my Telegram channel. So we're all set now and let's dive into trading. And first up, Aussie and Kiwi. I'm expecting a downtrend, so I'm hitting the lower button. I'll explain to you why. The price reached its high point and then the trend reversed. This isn't a temporary rebound, so it's a new trend, supported by the frequent bearish candles, and changes both in the indicators. Now, their lines have also shifted direction. The chart indicates a volatile situation, with the candles fluctuating near the entry point. However, in this market, accurately predicting the price movement is crucial for achieving positive results. Now, the key is to determine the correct price direction, rather than difference between the entry and the closing points, like here, as in other markets. Great. Now the trade closed in our favor. That was quite nerve-wracking. The account balance is now 9. Now let's continue. Now our second pair. Adjusting the amount to 9, I'm going long here. So press the button, and here's why. After a substantial downward trend, the chart has touched the previous support level. It's likely that buyers will strive to hold this level again. And another successful trade. I enjoy trading immensely. It's the fastest way to get returns. Now let's move on. And now we're looking at the Aussie and Canadian dollar pair, and I'm going to put 17 and hit higher. Now you see here the price dropped the support level and is currently moving sideways. So from the entry point I expect an upward trend. Now the tight compression in both indicators points toward a possible trend reversal. If you want to nail chart analysis, you either need loads of practice or a great mentor to guide you. Over on my Telegram channel, I pack as much as value as I can for my students. That's why I have thousands of followers now. I give out my tips and point out mistakes and talk about various trading strategies. Every day, we do live trading sessions. I provide entry points in the group chat, allowing my followers to simply participate in the trades based on them. They're reaching 750 a day just by copying my trades. And I want to note that it's not just about rewards, it's about learning and growing together as a community. And guess what? Access is totally free for the next few days. Hit that first link in the description or the pinned comment to join. You have nothing to risk by joining, but if you choose not to, you'll miss out on a great opportunity to learn from someone with real experience and a proven track record. Now remember, it's all about finding the right direction, not the price gap. I'm sitting at 33 now, and let's keep rolling. Jumping to the dirham and yuan pair, raising the investment, so going long. Now the price is pretty high, so it might be the end of the trend. So from what I've seen, I think the buyers still have enough power to push it in a bit more. This is where being experienced really pays off, understanding the chart and reading the indicators. Heading back to Aussie and Kiwi pair, now raising the investment to 61, the outlook is bearish, so we go down. Now these long green candles mean the bullish trend is cooling off and a reversal is on the way. Besides, the MACD has been showing bearish control for a while now. So this last push from the buyers sent the candle above the upper Bollinger Bands, which clearly indicates a trend reversal. Now the balance is up again, time for the next step. And the Aussie and Swiss pair doesn't look promising, so I'll switch to the Aussie and Canadian. I'm investing 117. Analyzing the chart, I see an opportunity for a long position, so let's go short. I recall discussing similar scenario on my Telegram channel a few weeks back. So the chart showed several wicks above the upper bands without breaching the resistance level. Now the Bollinger Bands are tuning downward, now indicating a potential reversal. So now the return from this trade is 224. This proves how crucial it is to pick and mix the right indicators for solid technical analysis. Now the dirham and yuan pairs don't seem trustworthy, so I'm moving to the Aussie and Kiwi pair. Adjusting the trade amount and analyzing the chart, I'm gonna hit the higher button. So looks like buyers hit a resistance point and paused for a break there. Now they're ready to push again, so we're looking for an upward move. Now, nailing technical analysis is super important for trading success. My deposit just went up again. So we'll focus on the Aussie and Swiss pair, and the investment amount is now 430. I'm expecting it to go up. Hit it. And there we go. Price drop, thanks to the bears, dipping below the lower Bollinger Bands, and I think that's the last of the downward trend before bulls take over. I nailed the direction again, and my deposit is now 825. Next. Now switching back to the Aussie and Canadian pair, adjusting the investment amount and going short in this time. The bears almost hit at the support level, but there's still a shot at breaking the minimum. Now, let's see if that was the lowest point. Either way, I made another return. Targeting the dirham and yuan pair. Now I'm going with 1000 and going short this time, hit lower. Now, the candles were above the upper Bollinger Bands for a while. The last push was the strongest, so as soon as I entered, it started dropping, so it's crystal clear. Perfect. Another successful trade. It's satisfying to trade wisely and see great results. Back to the Aussie and Kiwi pair, sticking with the same investment amount and going short. It seems both indicators suggest that the downtrend isn't over yet, so and with the help of our amazing indicators, we're now at 3,427. Now we have the Aussie and Swiss pair. Investment amount remains unchanged and going too long. Hit higher. And a new support level seems to be shaping up. The candles and Bollinger Bands make that pretty clear. And another successful trade, as expected. Let's keep going with a few more trades. And here, the Aussie and Canadian pair. Investment amount remains as it is and going short, so press the button. After figuring out the minimum, we saw a reversal, but now after some big bullish pushes, it's heading down. So one more successful trade. Now let's move on to the last trade for today. Our primary pair for the day is dirham and yuan. Expecting them to dip, so hit the button. A powerful impulse like this is unlikely to reverse the trend, so wow, just made 6,187 this session. Pretty cool, right? Now the MACD and Bollinger Bands indicators have been exceptionally reliable. So how do you feel about these results? Remember my starting point? Check out how I nail these trades. Now you know I can achieve great things. Making $750 a day is doable. Don't waste time, just join my Telegram channel for daily entry points that can help you boost your trading success. I know you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Subscribing now is a smart move, especially while it's still free. Click the first link in the description and the pinned comment. Once you're in, send me a direct message to get started right away. Don't let this chance slip by. Join us. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye.